Welcome to the first day of our transformative journey into the world of artificial intelligence in real estate. My name is Uwa Ujan, and I'll be guiding you through this 100-day course designed to not only educate, but also inspire you to integrate the latest AI technologies into your real estate businesses. You see, right now, we're on the brink of a major shift in how properties are bought, sold, and managed thanks to AI. And I'm thrilled you have joined me on this huge adventure. You deserve to be applauded for it. Now, let's start with the basics. Artificial intelligence or AI. What is it? It AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines. What does that mean? Well, if we can get a machine to do something that human beings would normally do with some level of thinking, some level of cleverness, with not some level of wit, that is artificial intelligence because it's not the human organic structure that's doing that operation, it's a machine. And then those same machines can be programmed to learn, almost mimicking how humans learn. So, what is artificial intelligence? Essentially, getting a machine to do the job of a human being, or to help a human being, or to help the reasoning of a human being, or more commonly in real estate, is to assist the real estate agent in the job that they're doing. Now, it's a powerful tool that's transforming industries worldwide, and real estate is no exception. So, we better be prepared and be ready. And this course is going to help you get to the point where you be an expert in adopting the AI technologies into your businesses, into your daily transactions, and into how you interact with your customers. Imagine a world where you can predict market trends with incredible accuracy or offer virtual tours of properties halfway around the globe. There's no reason why your client has to fly all the way to where the commercial property is or the beach in order to see what the condition of the property is. You can provide that through AR, VR, and those types of technologies. Now, this is not the future. This is what's happening right now. So, why AI? I suppose you could ask the opposite side. Why not AI? Now, the benefits of AI are huge. They're immense. Let's start with efficiency. Efficiency in the sale and purchase process. Imagine you have a purchaser and a seller, and rather than getting the listing or getting instruction from the seller and then picking up your black book to phone a landlord to say, well, I've got this deal, can you come and buy? Think about the situation there where, yes, you have made a sale quickly, but have you achieved the best price for your seller? And if you think about why you'd have that black book if, on the other hand, you had AI assisting you, as soon as the seller sends you the instruction, all of the information that's required to list that property is produced within 30 seconds and emailed to your full list. You don't have to phone anybody specifically for that. You just broadcast it to the list of people that would be interested in the property. And guess what? Because AI has access to all information and all of the demographics and all of your clients, it would know the best purchasers to present that deal to, right? It saves you so much time, so much thinking power, and all you have to focus on is making sure that you meet the requirements of the seller and the purchaser. And in this scenario, both the seller and the purchaser will be pleased because there's no emotion involved. It's all objective, not subjective, and it's very, very efficient. So any repetitive tasks can be automated using AI. This will free up your time. You build those relationships, spend more time with your family. The next benefit of AI is accuracy in property valuations. Now, AI can analyze so many more data points than a human can within a short space of time. The demographics, the schools, the changes, the new planning applications in the area, any new investigations, the media reports. Yes, you as an agent will still be an expert in your particular area, but you've got memory that has a certain capacity. Now, AI can look at everything going back hundreds of years and can produce evaluation on a property based on all of those data points going back hundreds of years, which you don't have the benefit of. It doesn't replace you, it just helps you come up with a more accurate valuation for any deals or any properties you're looking at. And the next big thing is customer service. Now, we already see AI-driven CRM systems. When you pick up the phone, the IVR systems, the voice, it helps route your call to the right person without you even speaking to a real human. You're speaking to a machine. There's also the fact that with AI, you can actually create bespoke experiences for all of your contacts. So when a seller calls, their experience is different. When a buyer calls, the experience is different. AI can make this happen seamlessly. You don't have to think about it. And then you've got the analytics, the data, real-time data. This is being produced as you speak. Things are changing. Things are happening around the world. Rates are changing. Banks are changing their rates. AI can get all of these data points and present what's pertinent to your situation. So with this, armed with this level of information, your ability has been more than 10x, 100x, 1000x. So you can see the benefits of having AI. And when you understand the things that we're going to cover in this course, you'd see that you'd come to appreciate that in actual fact, without AI, you're slipping backwards. You're losing market share. You're losing abilities. You're less effective. Your business will be less effective than the business of your competitors. So that's something that we'll be presenting, we'll be showing you, we'll be teaching you. A lot of these things you'll be able to do by yourself. Some of them, AutoRE.ai would help you implement the solution. But let's keep going. So, over the next 100 days, the plan is to dive deep into many, many practical applications of AI. Now, just like yourself, there are thousands and thousands of AI solutions, and truthfully, you don't need all of them. What you need are the right ones. And we're going to cover so many aspects of AI, so many themes over the next 100 days that by the end of it, you'd know exactly what tools you need to implement, the 3-4 tools that you'd use most often, and the 3-4 tools that would empower you and exponentially increase your profit margins, exponentially grow your business, and set you free as well from some of the time traps. So from understanding the basics of AI technology to exploring the specific tools and strategies for marketing, for sales, for investment, this course would help you. And this is going to be hands-on and interactive. And we're going to share all the information from our research and our understanding of the market. And we'll empower you with the knowledge you need to adopt the very latest technologies. But for the benefit of this course, let's look at the different themes. So weeks 1 and 2 will be foundational knowledge. So stuff like what we're doing now and a bit more about the terminologies and the things you need to understand. AI-powered lead generation is the second theme for weeks 3 and 4. So for that, lead generation, I think that's very obvious what it is, and prospecting, chatbots, intelligent ways to create brand new websites and have AI just produce landing pages really, really quickly for any new listings or any new properties. Theme 3 is AI enhanced listing and marketing. 4 is streamlining of transactions and operations. I touched on it earlier, how the interaction between yourself, the seller, and the buyer, and that whole relationship, and also the interaction between your business and the legal side when you've secured a buyer or secured a seller, and all the other things that are involved in a property transaction or a property process. And then the final thing is building your AI-powered future. Now that one's very, very interesting because this one covers things like you building your own brand, how you adopt new technology when it's introduced to the market, what you need to do to stay ahead of the game, essentially. And then themes 6, 7, and 8, they're really bonus themes, and we'll see how things go as we progress. But the key things to look at for theme 6, 7, and 8 are would dive deep into specific AI tools. So we'll look at things like Mid-Journey, the image generation AI tools, and how you can automatically change the design of a room and present that to your buyers for them to have an idea as to how a space could be decorated, or the interiors can be designed. You can also create images of land that hasn't been developed yet to show your buyer, to show your seller what that space can be used for, what the land can be used for. And you don't have to spend thousands and thousands getting an external party to create those images. You can just, by typing, text the image, automatically, boom, within seconds, what you want appears. Now we'll go through that. So essentially we'll be covering prompts. We'll do some prompting before here, but here we might pick one tool, dive deep into the tool, and we'll learn a lot more about it. And then theme 7 is really about coaching. So anybody who's interested in getting one-to-one coaching would spend some time with you, spend some time with your business. We can come into your business and coach your staff, show them the different tools that they can use and things that they can use to improve your business, improve their daily work, and enhance the returns on anything that they've been deployed to do. So it could be a bespoke chatbot system for onboarding of new employees, or a chatbot system or an AI-powered system that would present pertinent information, like when you're running out of certain supplies, or certain clients visit your website at specific times, how you engage those clients, how you nurture those clients, and how you get new deals. And essentially you turn everyone in your business into an AI expert. And if it's just you, you turn yourself into an AI expert, and you adopt the tools that will make it appear like you have 10 people working for you when it's just yourself. And it is very, very possible right now. This is the time to seize the opportunity. And then the final theme would be us inviting an expert, an AI expert in the real estate space or wider, to talk to us about their experiences and how their experiences have helped them in their businesses, and what we can do in the real estate space to adopt this new technology, and to exponentially increase the returns on what our business does. So your AI journey begins here. As we embark on this journey together, I encourage all of us to keep an open mind. Now, don't be afraid of what people are saying that's going to take people's jobs. It will change how we work. Definitely. It's already changing how we work, and people would have to adapt. We have to adopt these things, because AI is empowering our competitors to take more market share from us, to eat our lunch. So the world of AI is vast, it's constantly evolving, and there's a lot to learn, but there's also a lot to gain, right? So I would encourage us, keep an open mind. Let's embrace this new technology. Let's see how it can help us and set us apart in this competitive market, but also empower us to serve our clients a lot better and like never before. Let's surprise those landlords. Let's surprise those sellers. Let's approach those sellers even before they make that sale, or before they go on Facebook to place an advert looking for your competition, right? These are the things that AI can enable us to do. So now, during this course, I'd really love this to be very, very interactive. Please post your questions in the comment section. Send us emails directly, ua@autoread.ai. Put comments, post your questions, join us during the live sessions. Get involved. Let's all grow together. Let me know what your use cases are. Let me make sure, so that I can make sure that I tailor this course to meet what you require, and make sure that I'm satisfying what's needed. So feel free to ask those questions. No question is stupid. If you have any workflow that you'd like us to cover, let me know, and I'll make sure that my team would engage with yours, and we'll create the workflow that you desire. We're here to help each other and grow each other's businesses. And on this very last slide, I'm really grateful that you've taken the time to listen to this course. This is the first of at least 100, and we are going on this journey together. I thank you for engaging, for your enthusiasm today. Remember, this is just the beginning. And with each session, you'd gain not only knowledge, but also practical skills and insights that will propel your business into the future. This is not a joke. It is here to stay and it's here to take over if we don't adapt and adopt the technologies. But if we adopt the technologies, it will empower us. It would increase what we can do and what we can achieve. It would set us free. It would make it more of a joy being a real estate agent or an operator in the real estate industry. Now, for the next session, I'll be covering the standard concepts within AI, technologies, and applications. So come prepared, come ready. Our next session is tomorrow. So thank you so much for your time. If you need more information on anything that I've covered today, please go to our website, autoree.ai. So www.autoree.ai. We are automating real estate, and I am so happy to be part of this business. I'm so happy to be part of this industry and part of this movement. Join me. Let us make this happen together. Thank you.